Hey everyone, Dave here with Affordable Door and Gate. So, here's some of the reasons you might not want to buy the Dewalt 68,000 BTU propane heater. We ran into a little bit of a problem here. First thing right out of the box, it's got a problem. We're gonna bring the mic down so maybe you can hear it. But I believe we're gonna go to the store and see if we can swap this out, but you hear that? Look at it. It's leaking gas. I can smell it too. So this dial, I don't believe this dial should go all the way around. Let me do it again. See how the dial's moving? So when I got it, I noticed right out of the get-go, right out of the box, this dial felt funny. It had like a wallop to it, not like a straight shaft. So I want you to be aware of it, because if you go to buy one of these, what I want you to understand is probably pull it out of the box at the store. This one came from Lowe's. It's gonna go back to Lowe's. We're gonna open up a box. You're gonna go along with us. We're gonna see if we can find one that the dial is supposed to stop. I think it's supposed to stop. It shouldn't make this full revolution around here and make all this hissing noise. Should only go maybe like that to that or something, or this, but it's hissing, it's pulling out gas. To be honest, this is a really big safety concern, because if you had employees and you get that one guy, you guys know what I'm saying? Whew, I can smell it bad. This could be a hazard. You put this in a house to try to, a construction, a job site, enclosed trailer, which obviously you need good ventilation, you gotta be smart, use common sense. This could be a problem. So I'm glad I caught it. I'm glad it didn't go out in the field with the guys or something. And they also waste all their propane. So I want you to be aware. We're gonna come along. We're gonna go to the store. We're gonna test out the ones at the store, see if we find one better. Hopefully this one can go back. I'm gonna make sure that they understand that this thing needs to be garbage. It's something's wrong with it. It's not safe. So something to look out for. We'll see you shortly. Learn from your mistakes. Well, learn from other people's mistakes. Learn from me. Bring a knife. That way we can open the package up. Hello. We got ourselves a heater. A heater. So it's got something in the valve that is really, I think, messed up. So it's leaking gas. So it's one of those things, like, don't repackage it and put it back on the shelf. Like, it needs to be destroyed or sent back, because it's just not good.
Verify they're the same item and we'll do a swap.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. It's kind of majestic, it's pretty. Are we rolling? So I don't, if anybody knows, let me know. I don't know what the difference between, where is that? One's a 70 and one's a 68. Where does it say? Here's 70. So this one's a 70. And for some reason, I thought it looked like it was a little bit smaller. So that's why I went with the 68. I don't really need a lot of heat. I just want little heat. So we're gonna try to get this one down. The bad thing is, it feels like they've all been repackaged. The way, look at this. See this? This all looks like it's been repackaged. Don't you think that one back there looks better for packaging? Like, it doesn't look like it's been waxed so much. Yeah. Think that one looks better?
Yeah.
Well. And I really don't want to step on this, but I will if I have to. Okay. some reason this looks more faded, but it looks like the packaging's right. So there's that. Okay. Better not put that away. All right, let's crack this open. Definitely looks pretty old. Everything looks like it's here and intact. How's my audio doing? Audio's okay. Now all we gotta check is make sure that valve is good. Watch out for a second. Definitely feels a lot tighter. It stopped. There you go. You got this good, Cora? So it goes up, stops where it should, goes to the side, stops where it should. It feels way tighter. Way tighter. There we go. So that one I believe is good. All right. There we go. We'll have a good unit. We'll give you an update. Make sure it works once we get it home or to the shop. And we'll go from there. So there you go. Make sure you check them. Not saying they're a bad unit, but they got a problem. That one had a bad valve right out of the box. So check the valve if you're going to buy one of these Dewalt 68 BTU propane heaters. Okay?
There you are.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Can I go out this door?
Yep.
Okay. There you go. Lowe's took care of us. Thank you, Lowe's. Thank you, Dewalt. So, the one thing that's the worst part about it is the time. That's what I don't want you to lose, is the time. You can make more money, you do more things right, but the time, it was the time that sucks that we missed out on. So, but we're all set. We're all good. It happens. I hope you learn from it. And I hope you have a good dang day. All right, you guys, before we go, I just want to show you, we got the tank on. Comes with the regulator, the hose, which is really nice. Does not come with extension cord, does not come with a battery for the front. But this little devil is pretty nice. So, I don't know, I left it on the setting there. But I want you to see for sure in the daylight here. You can see it goes up. It stops. It stops right there. We go back down. What is it, about a quarter turn? You know, we got what, noon? We got 12 o'clock, we got 3 o'clock. That's it. And so we're going to turn our button on. Light turns on. It's trying to click. There's nothing that's going to happen. The light's on though. It's ready to go. We got to hold this for a few seconds to activate the pilot. Might be take a second just for the gas to get to the through the line. Oh, I wasn't pushing hard enough. So make sure you push firmly on the button. It's running. It lit up. We'll let go. It should be good now. And there we go. It still clicks a little bit until it's done. Got a nice flame coming out. Nice heat. We got snow coming down like the son of a gun. Let's see if this turns it up or what. Oh, that goes up. There you have it. Turn it back down. So there you go. Thank you, Lowe's, for taking care of the problem. Thank you, Dewalt, for making the product. We really appreciate you, especially as contractors. Don't forget, hit the like button on your way out. Become a subscriber. If you guys have any problems or good things or anything to say, you know, maybe this 70,000 is a little better than the 68. I don't know. If you guys have anything, comment below, please. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.